myself Bhanu Pratap and I am the student of 6th class. I am here before you to present a speech on Indian Army. What is Indian Army? Indian Army is the one of the outstanding army in the world. Ensuring national security and national unity are the main focus of Indian Army. Our army fighting against external aggression and internal threats and maintain the security within Indian borders. Except for war and battles against terrorism, it also conduct humanitarian rescue operation during naturally calamities and other disturbances. It is a major part of national power alongside the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. Our army fight 4 wars, 3 with Pakistan and 1 with China. There are 9 parts of Indian Army. Company, Command, Group, Battalion. आपके पास दुनिया का हर सितारा हो, आपसे दूर दुनिया का हर दुख हो, आपके पल के खुले तो आपको वही दिखे जो आपको सबसे प्यारा हो. Here I stop my speech. Thank you. जय जय भारत.
मैं परियों की कहानी, आज मुझसे मत कहो माँ. था एक राजा एक रानी, वीर राणा की शिवा की शक्ति मुझ में जगा दो. माँ मुझे सैनिक बना दो. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I myself are Amina and I am doing my study in 6th class. I am here before you today to present a speech on Indian Army. Indian Army is one of the outstanding armies in the world. Ensuring national security and national unity is the main focus of Indian Army. Our army is fighting against external aggression and internal threats and maintain peace and security within Indian borders. Except for war and battle against terror, it also conducts humanitarian rescue operations during natural calamities and other disturbances like Operation Surya. It is a major part of national power alongside the Indian Navy and the Indian Air Force. Indian Army has also fought 4 big wars neighboring with Pakistan and 1 with China. Other important operations undertaken by the army include Operation Vijay, Operation Meghadut, Operation Cactus. The Indian Army came into existence with independence. The Indian Army has also fought in both World War I and World War II. The Indian Army is operationally and geographically divided into 7 commands, comprises more than 80% of the country's defense personnel. There are 9 parts of Indian Army: command, section, platoon, corps, company, battery. Here I stop my speech. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Sunny from 9th class. Today my topic name is happiness. Can I start my topic? Sir, can I start? And I speak about happiness. Most of us don't feel the need to over the time to think about what happiness is. We know it when we feel it, but during this time to crisis, it has to become essential to understand what is happiness really about. Happiness or being happy is a state of mind which is linked to positive emotions like joy and peace of mind. Happiness can be further be divided into 2 parts: short-term happiness and long-term happiness. Short-term happiness, as the name suggests, of the state for being happy for a short time. For example, you hear a joke and you smile. You are happy. Long terms can you mean your hard work can be finally paid off. खुशी क्या है? खुशी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जिसे खरीदी नहीं जा सकती. हम उसे जितने लोगों में बांटे उतने ज़्यादा खुशी बढ़ती है. इसलिए हमें हमेशा खुश रहना चाहिए और दूसरों को भी खुश रखना चाहिए. यदि मैं आपसे पूछूं आपके लिए खुशी और सफलता में से क्या जरूरी है, तो आप संभव अपने जीवन का अधिक महत्व सफलता को देंगे, जो एक तरह से अच्छा है. लेकिन खुशी एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो सफल होने के बावजूद भी हासिल की जा सकती है. Therefore, happiness is very important for us. फूल बनकर मुस्कुराना जिंदगी, फूल बनकर मुस्कुराना जिंदगी, मुस्कुरा के गम भुलाना जिंदगी. जीत कर कोई खुश है तो क्या हुआ, हार कर भी खुशियां बनाना जिंदगी. थैंक यू.
To Chaudhary and I am studying class 9. Today I am here to deliver a speech on happiness. What do you mean by term happiness? खुशी. खुशी मन की एक आस्था है. ये एक ऐसी भावना है जो इंसान को स्वस्थ और फिट रखती है. Happiness is a term in which depicts mental state. Happiness can have different meaning for different people. Some may find happiness in earning money and be called wealthy. However, others give importance to the good health to become happy. How to be happy? खुश कैसे रहे? महत्वपूर्ण बात यह है कि आपको पता होना चाहिए कि आपको क्या खुश करता है. Because no one makes us happy. We are only responsible for our happiness. Happiness is choice. True happiness comes when we realize our oneness with God. Happiness adds to the beauty of the person and also a happy person never get disappointed. लेकिन हाँ, एक बात हमेशा याद रखें, आपका जीवन वैसा ही होगा जैसा आप इसे बनाना चाहते हैं और खुशी को केवल महसूस किया जा सकता है. अच्छा जीवन जीने के लिए खुश रहना बहुत जरूरी है, लेकिन दुर्भाग्य से ज्यादातर लोगों के जीवन से जैसे खुशी गायब ही हो चुकी है. लोगों के पास खुश रहने के अलग अलग तरीके हैं. कुछ लोगों को पैसे से खुशी मिलती है तो कुछ लोगों को प्यार में खुशी खुशी मिलती है। और वहीं कुछ लोगों को खुशी और संतुष्टि तब मिलती है जब वे जीवन में कोई अच्छा काम कर लेते हैं। आज के समय में इंसान कुछ ना कुछ करना चाहता है, जिसके लिए उसे काम करना पड़ता है, और काम करने के लिए उसका स्वास्थ्य ठीक रहना जरूरी है, और जिसके लिए उसका खुश रहना भी जरूरी है। सो बी हैप्पी एंड एंजॉय लाइफ। थैंक यू।
Now let me introduce myself to you. My name is Khushbu Verma. I am studying from class 9. Today I am standing in front of you to give a speech of happiness. Happiness is a feeling of pleasure and positivity. When someone feels good, proud, excited, relieved or satisfied with something, that is said to be happy. Feelings happy makes people to relax and to smile. Happiness is usually opposite to sadness. Many philosophers said that people often go back and forth between times of happiness and sadness. There is nobody in the world who is always happy or always sad. Happiness can further be divided into two parts. They are short-term happiness and long-term happiness. The short-term happiness, as the name suggests, is the state being happy for a short time. For example, if we hear a joke, we get a smile. The long-term happiness can mean our hard work has finally paid off. We can cherish it for a long time. Having negative thoughts is one of the most important factors that make us unhappy. To stop ourselves from getting negative thoughts, we have to keep ourselves from negative thoughts. खुशी उन्हें नहीं मिलती जो जिंदगी को अपनी शर्तों पर जीते हैं। खुशी उन्हें नहीं मिलती जो जिंदगी को अपनी शर्तों पर जीते हैं, बल्कि खुशी उन्हें मिलती है जो दूसरों की खुशी के लिए अपनी जिंदगी की शर्तों को बदल देते हैं। थैंक यू। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Good afternoon to the respected guests, parents and all my dear friends. I myself Sumit Saini from 8th standard. On the behalf of Ambika Mata English Medium School, I am going to tell you about happiness. So may I have the permission? Among of you know what is happiness and why to be happy. I will tell you, happiness is that feeling that comes over you when you know life is good. It is the opposite of sadness. Happiness is basically a state of mind. Moreover, it can only be achieved by being positive and avoiding negative thoughts in mind. Now I will tell you why to be happy. Happiness, everybody in the world experience unhappiness some more often than others. During these unhappy times, you should realize that there are always positive things that you can focus on. No matter what happened to you, just be happy. This won't magically make you the happiest person in the world, but it could help you to maintain a positive mental attitude when times are tough. I feel happiest when I play with my friends in school, and family time makes me very happy. So be happy and keep smiling. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you. Please, all the parents, I request. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, ma'am, आने के लिए. Okay. आपका हो गया सभी का? Yes, you go. Judges, may I request you, you just check the numbers, और जब तक हम dances वगैरह करवा लेते हैं और public को भी थोड़ा सा little children come. नजदीक रखना.
Hello everyone, honorable respected principal and teachers, parents and all my dear friends. My name is Himanshi Kumar. My partner name is Ishumina from 1st standard. Welcome to Ambika Mata English Medium Secondary School, Kawat. Today will be come for annual function. I am very happy because you came in this function. Our next dance is a remix for 10th standard. Enjoy the function. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Thank you.
सड़कों ते फिर तेरी कार लभदी नी कुड़ी जेड़ी फेसबुक ते नंबर नू छड्ड जट्टा दिल मेरा ले जा लंघ जाना अख मेरे वल करके गल तां जटी ना तेरी बड़ी पई है देख तां सही तू जट्टा गल करके गल तां जटी ना तेरी बड़ी पई है देख तां सही तू जट्टा गल करके रेट तेरे हाई करते एक बारी वेख के तो हंस दिया कर देखे बिना दिन लंघदा नहीं तेरा लोकेशन तो दस दिया कर मेरे पीछे तेरे पीछे होना मैं जोर तेनू अपना बनाना मैं कार च बिठा के तेनू गेड़ा लाना मैं कुड़ियां नू बैठ आई कल करके जटी ना तेरी बड़ी पई है सही तू जट्टा गल करके
रिपीट तेरे की करा दस तेरा गूगल जी दा ला 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 बस ना अचन सामने जान दे तेरे आज ना 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 सपाया on से नहीं छाट से ताकि मैं कबर ही जाने दवा दे तेरी लात क्यों कटी जाने लोकां नूं की पता आ ब्यूटी किनू कहंदे ब्यूटी पार्लर चों बनदा हुसन अज दा
थैंक यू फॉर योर काइंड अराइवल. अभी 3-4 डांसेस हो रहे हैं. जब तक रिजल्ट्स आ जाते हैं देन आई शैल रिक्वेस्ट यू टू कम.
बोल.
Good day all of you. My name is Kishore Singh from 6th class. I welcome you.
Good day all of you. My name is Naksh Janit. I am studying 6th class from Ambika Mata English Medium Secondary School. Our school organized annual function of 2022 and 23. Dear friends, here we have two events for you interesting. And the participants are the one of the dance, sand or plastic bag of class 4th.
हाथ पे हाथ धरे मंजिल पार नहीं होती, हाथ पे हाथ धरे मंजिल पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती.
Enjoy the function. Thank you. जय हिंद, जय भारत.
टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे टिक 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 कसम ये खाए रे टिक 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 प्लास्टिक टिक ना पाए रे. Bye bye re.
Well, good day to all of you. My name is Piyu. I am from 4th class.
And I am Pallavi from 4th class.
We both welcome you all on this day. Dear parents, we the little students have both a special event.
And the event is dance and words are.
And the students are.
Enjoy the dance.
Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
सनसेट भाई तेरा फुल सेट मोशन भी देखो मेरा बनने लगा. देखो तो हसीना तो वाना भी करीना तो दोनों का फीवर चढ़ने लगा. थोड़ा हार्ड सा होके थोड़ा जेंटल सा होके थोड़ा सेंटी सा होके थोड़ा मेंटल सा होके सारे 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 बुखार पार्टी करनी लगातार मेरे यार दिन 4 जिंदगी के तू जी ले हो जाओ तैयार ये गाना है ऑन रिपीट देखो बजती है बीट में पड़ो तुम ढीले बकवास भुला के कोई शत सा बना के हाथ ऊपर उठा के पूरी जान लगा के सारे Let's not jump.
कितनी अच्छी बच्ची हो. Good. Start.
Dear audience, my name is Vanshika. Dear audience, my name is Vanshika from 4th class. And my name is Shreya and I study in 4th class. We both welcome you all on this great day. यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही जो मंजिल, यूं ही नहीं मिलती राही जो मंजिल, दिल में जुनून जगाना पड़ता है. पूछो किसी चिड़िया से कैसे बनता है घोंसला, भरनी पड़ती उड़ान में तिनका उठाना पड़ता है. Here we have an event for you. And the event is dance. Word of the dance are Udi Udi Jai. The participants are 8th class. So enjoy the function. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Give a big hand.
उड़ी उड़ी जाओ
memorable day of your life. My name is Priyanshi Sani. Welcome to you this wonderful event. Along with my co-host, my partner name is Avika Sani. Today we will be celebrating, remembering, acknowledging and Honorable Chief Guest, respected Principal Madam, respected teaching and non-teaching staff, and my dear student, my name is Priyanshi Sanitek Pridi in standing before you and speaking of the occasion of program of dance of our school and the coming and event dance.
The words of the dance are Moni Banke.
The participants are
Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
thank you.
ना ये होता ही नहीं.
All of you teachers and guests, my dear friend, my name is Rudra Pratap, my host. Yes, Vardhan, we are reading in 5th class.
We request all the guys to be seated. Put your mobile on the silent mode as we are going to the annual function in the start few minutes.
Today is a special day because we are going to celebrate our annual function.
That is a dance is successfully for all of us.
I am so happy to see together. Annual function is an important event for you.
Many dances, speech and singing will perform by the children in the annual function.
Harvey has a very special event for us.
That is a dance, the words of the dance.
And the participants are Sara India.
Thank you, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
इसको बोलते हैं जोश.
Mixing in the house. सुन मुंडे आवे जे हम करवोनी मैं भी ते तू एक गल मनानी सुन मुंडे आवे जे हम करवोनी मैं भी ते तू एक गल मनानी के घूम लांगे कल नू
Enjoy the function. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
डियर पेरेंट्स, हमारे बीच में एक बच्ची है वानी। वानी कम ही है बेटा, यहाँ आओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ बेटा, आ जाओ, आ जाओ, आ जाओ। क्यों मुझे डांस करना है? कौन सा गाना बजवा रहे हैं सर? आजा।
Manshu from 4th standard. Here I have a dance for you. And the words are Biliblia. And the participants are. Enjoy the function. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
गुलाबी नैन शराबी
ना दूं पुट्ठा पिया पिया इठा
Chaudhary and my partner name is Priya Saini and we are students of 4th class.
Today I am happy because you are coming in the Ambika Mata English Medium CC Secondary School, Kavatin. Today I am happy because you are coming in the Ambika Mata.
Event is dance. Our coming event is dance and the words are
The participate are
enjoy the dance. Thank you, Jai Hind.